In this video, I'm going to show you what's in my drill case with emphasis on sprinkler valve repairs, so stick around. Today we're going to talk about what's in my drill case. The main thing here is I've got this set up for doing sprinkler valve repairs. So the bulk of what I'm going to show you today is regarding that. I do use the drill for installing timers and a few other things, but the main thing I have this set up for is the sprinkler valve repairs. The first thing I'm showing here is this 12-inch extension. I just have a hex driver in there right now, but these are really nice and strong. This is made by Norske, Norske. I use this mostly for getting down deep into valve boxes with the hex drivers.
No, that's the top of it.
I also have a 6-inch version. This 12-inch extension has a Phillips tip already built onto it. Obviously the drill. This is a hammer drill, and I go into this a little bit in my Milwaukee video that's linked here. But this has 2 speeds. The only time I use this second speed is when I'm using the hammer drill option on the drill. And then this also has, it's on the selector, so there it's in the hammer drill setting. And this is for standard drilling. And then it has all these settings, and you can set them in between too. But when I'm doing most of my work, I have it set on the very lowest setting when I'm unscrewing things on the valves, because I don't want to strip anything out. And one nice thing too about this drill, it has this light on here, and a clip, and a battery monitor. Got this bit holder, and I use this usually with this setup, with this Milwaukee 1/4-inch hex bit. This is mostly used for the Erickson and Richdell valves. This larger 5/16 hex bit is a Milwaukee, and it is used mostly for the Hunter valves. This bit holder here is really snazzy. It's made for when you're doing Phillips screws. So when you need to screw something in, these screws are not magnetic. So sometimes I'm in a situation where I definitely don't want this to fall out, and you can just slide that over the screw and it won't fall out. And then as the screw goes in, this thing retracts. So it's pretty nifty. The only drill bit I keep in here is this 3/16 masonry bit, and this is the one I use the most because I use it for installing hunter timers, which I install the most. I do have another, I have more masonry bits, but that's the only one I keep in here. And this is a socket adapter for the drill, for the 3/8 sockets. And this adapter here is for 1/4" bits. This 3/8 bit is used for the hex nuts on the 100 series irrigation valves. I have some sockets here that I don't use very often, but once in a while, 1/2 inch, 7/16, and 10 millimeter. Here I have, this is my oldest Milwaukee bit holder. This has a Torx bit on it for deck screws. And an extra Milwaukee bit, which I get from this pack here. Got my extra battery, M12, and there's a place for that right here. Always keep that charged up. My little channel lock screwdriver. Use this for a number of things, sometimes prying up diaphragms. So the diaphragms that I stock, that I keep in here, I have one of each for the ones I use, for the ones that I service the most. Not in any particular order, but this is the Rainbird. I don't know if you can see that. But this is the Rainbird diaphragm. It comes in a kit like this because there's screws and a screen and stuff like that in there. This is for the old style Erickson and Richdale valves, and also Lawn Genie. It's all the same company, but this is the old style. And you notice there's a little tip right here, and that's where the solenoid goes. Don't really like these. That's why they got away from making their valves like this, because it's too easy to get this offset a little bit and accidentally put a screw through the rubber diaphragm here. Here's the new style. So you see there's no screw holes in it. So I keep that. This is for these type of valves. And this is not interchangeable with the jar top. The jar top has a larger hole down in there. So they're not identical. But I don't keep that in here because I rarely deal with those. And here's a hunter diaphragm. The new ones have this green plastic on it. I also have a toothbrush for cleaning things, cleaning the threads for the solenoids, or cleaning down inside the valve. Repurposed toothbrush. And obviously the charger. So that's what I've got in here. Some of these products, like the drill bits and the drill set here, are all available on the tools page of my resources site. So hop over there and you can pick up these items there, along with some of the diaphragms, and those will be on the valves page of the resources site. Thanks for watching. See you next time.